Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this grunge scanlines effect for the next music video or edit. Starting off, like always, I'm going to go to our bottom left corner, right click, go to new and create our adjustment layer right here. First effect I'm going to add, it's going to be s_scanlines. It is from a paid plugin. It's from the Sapphire Universe plugin. So once after we drag in our effect right here, we're going to go to our frequency right here, lines frequency, and we're going to put it to 116 or 116. Then we're going to go here to our lines angle and we're going to put it at 90. So we're going to close out our scan lines right here. And then for the next effect, I'm going to add, it's going to be CC threshold right here. Drag in CC threshold. What we actually want to do here is mess around with your threshold. So you have bit like right here, let me see. Bit kind of something like this right here. You want to have it where mainly the clip is black, but you do have these white shadows right here. Not white shadows, white highlights right here of the clip, so you can make out what is actually happening in the video. So yeah, I'm gonna leave mine at 28 right here. So I'm gonna close out our CC threshold. Then for the next effect, I'm gonna add, it's gonna be glow. Then I'm gonna go here to our glow threshold and increase it to 82. Go over here to our glow radius and we're gonna increase it to 67 or 67. Then we're gonna close out our menu right here. Then for the next effect, I'm gonna add, it's gonna be noise. Go here to noise and grain, drag in noise, turn off use color noise right here, and we're gonna add 25 for our amount. We're gonna close that out. Then for the next effect, I'm gonna add posterize time. Go here to posterize time, drag it in, and we're gonna lower down our frame rate to 13. And yeah, that is how you create this grunge scanlines effect for your next music video or edit. I hope you guys learned something new today, or just like watching this video overall. And if you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. You guys don't have to, but it does help support me and helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. Keep on working hard and keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.